Okay, today we're going to talk about recipe costing. We're going to be using our recipe cost template example. Menu item is fudgy homemade brownies, and the number of portions we're going to get is 12. In the first column here, you have items from the recipe. So you're going to find a recipe, and I would suggest finding one with nice, even sort of ingredients so you can make the math easier on yourself for the first try. So you have your butter, granulated sugar, and on down the list. Column A here is your purchase unit, and column B is the purchase cost. We got this information from Walmart.com, so you can just head to Walmart.com and sort of search in the search bar, how much is a pound of butter? Well, 16 ounces of butter is $3.98. And you're going to go ahead and do that for all of your ingredients all the way down. And then what you're going to do in column C here is you're going to divide B, the cost, by the unit. And you're going to come up with a price per ounce or package or pound in these cases. So 16 ounces of butter divided by 398 divided by 16 rather is going to give you 25 cents per ounce. You do all those numbers all the way down. And then in D, what you're going to do is copy from the recipe the amount needed for the recipe. Okay, so we need 4 ounces of butter. That's equal to 1 stick or half cup. So at 25 cents, so here in the last column, you're going to take column C times column D. So 25 cents times 4 ounces equals $1. And you're going to cost all the way down to the bottom. Okay. I wanted to explain the Q factor here. Sometimes what you have in terms of like salt and pepper, or say when you're garnishing a dish with parsley, is very difficult to determine how much the cost of half a teaspoon of salt would be when it's 72 cents for 26 ounces. So what you do is you come up with a kind of a universal cost that you put in your recipes. Here, we're going to call that 1 cent worth of salt. So what you'll do is total them all the way down and add in your Q factor. And so all the ingredients here equals $7.16. The yield again was 12. So 716 divided by 12 equals 60 cents. So from there, you can go ahead and say, set your menu cost of this item. So on the next slide, you're going to choose your own recipe and sort of fill out all this information using this example.